Being able to move a robotic arm just by thinking about it sounds unreal, right? Well, for a lot of people, it's actually real life. The Hero Arm by Open Bionics is making that possible for amputees all around the world. It's not just a prosthetic, it's a game changer. It's a game changer that helps people move, express themselves, and feel confident again. Today I'm going to share and talk about what the Hero Arm is, how it works, and how it's changing people's lives in incredible ways. So, let's start with what makes the Hero Arm so special. The Hero Arm is lightweight, it's 3D printed, a bionic arm made by Open Bionics, and it's the first multi-grip bionic arm that's been clinically approved for both adults and children as young as 8. Each one is custom made as well, not only for comfort, but for personality and individuality. Some kids choose fun themes like Iron Man or Frozen. One young user, her name is Tilly Lockie, she lost both of her arms to meningitis. She has helped inspire and design some of those designs, like the Iron Man or the Frozen arms. This isn't just about getting an arm though, it's about giving people back their confidence and their sense of self. So, how does it actually work? Well, the Hero Arm uses myoelectric sensors. What are those? Those are tiny devices that detect electrical signals from the user's muscles. When they flex or when they move, those signals get turned into actions like grabbing, pointing, or even pinching. It reacts almost instantly, so it moves naturally and smoothly. You can't even detect it. You can't even tell that it's a Hero Arm. It looks like a regular arm. People can hold cups, they can type, they can cook, drive cars, or even brush their teeth independently. All things that help them live more independently. Technology like this used to sound like science fiction, right? Well, not anymore. It's a part of everyday life for a growing number of people. It's truly amazing. But honestly, the coolest part isn't just the tech. It's how it's changing lives every day, by the minute, by the second. For a lot of users, the Hero Arm means freedom. It helps them do daily tasks without needing to constantly ask for help. It also brings a major confidence boost. Tilly Lockley, the girl that I mentioned earlier, said that her bionic arms make her feel powerful and proud, and she actually loves showing them off instead of hiding them. You should feel powerful. You are a superhero. Because each Hero Arm is 3D printed, it's more affordable and easier to make than traditional prosthetics. That means more people can access it and experience that same sense of independence and pride. At the end of the day, the Hero Arm isn't just a piece of robotics. It's about people, confidence, and possibility, hope, the future, changing of lives. As I wrap up, I just want to leave you with this thought. The Hero Arm shows what can happen when science and compassion come together. It's not just about restoring movement, it's about restoring identity and hope. So whether it's a kid learning to tie their shoes again, or to ride a bike, or an adult getting back to work to feed the family, the Hero Arm proves that technology can truly empower people. So thank you for listening. Bye.